Our workplaces are changing, and so are the skills we need to be effective in the modern-day workforce. By 2020, developments in robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning will transform the way we live and work. The jobs we know today will change. Some will disappear, and new ones will emerge. To make sure you're ready for the future of work, you need to have the right skills in place. A report by the World Economic Forum found that the #1 skill we all need by 2020 is the ability to solve complex problems. The good news? Problem solving is a skill you can develop. At Kepner-Tregoe, or KT, we have developed more than 3 million problem solvers from 6 continents over 60 years. KT tools are just a few of dozens available. The key to being an effective problem solver is knowing which type of problem you're trying to solve, the tools to use, and how they complement each other. Kepner-Tregoe can help you do this by introducing the problem-solving ecosystem. If you want to learn about the problem-solving ecosystem, the different tools available, and when to employ each tool, then this is the course for you. In this 90-minute problem-solving basics self-guided course, you'll be introduced to how to identify the type of problem you're trying to solve, how to choose the right tool to fix each problem, the pros and cons associated with each tool, and the problem-solving ecosystem and how each tool can work with KT's problem analysis. Once complete, you'll get a certificate of completion telling the world you've done a KT problem-solving course. So what are you waiting for? Get ahead of the pack and improve your problem-solving skills today.